Welcome to Cloud Institute's exclusive webinar. Today, we're exploring Cloud Institute's innovative business solution, Recruit, Train, Deploy, a revolutionary approach to talent optimization.
In the competitive cloud tech landscape, finding the right talent is crucial. Our Recruit, Train, Deploy process is designed to seamlessly integrate new, diverse talent into your workforce, alleviating your current staff, reducing attrition, and empowering your organization to focus on larger service implementations.
First, we assess applicants' skills or source new candidates based on your company's talent skills gaps. We believe that the right people should be in the right roles to make sure that your workforce is optimized for success.
Our validated skills assessment process starts by thoroughly analyzing your current workforce. By utilizing technology-specific, role-based, and customized assessments, we can deliver a comprehensive report that highlights your team's existing skills, identifying areas of strength as well as opportunities for improvement. At Cloud Institute, we understand that everyone is unique. That's why we offer one-on-one advisory sessions to tailor curriculum plans for you.
Identifying talent needs and skills gaps is the next step. By conducting a detailed analysis, we can pinpoint the areas that are currently hindering your organization's ability to achieve both short-term and long-term goals.
We carefully design our plans, which include engaging courses, hands-on labs, and valuable access to expert coaches to smoothly integrate into your business routine without causing any interruptions. This personalized approach guarantees that your continuous development perfectly aligns with the unique needs of your organization. Recruiting and assessing new applicants against identified gaps is where our flexibility shines. Whether it's role-based experts or talent trained on your tech stack, Cloud Institute offers a comprehensive approach to building a sustainable talent pipeline.
We understand that interviewing and making educated guesses don't always accurately confirm someone's skills. That's why we use a special skills assessment tool. It delves into the abilities of our candidates, giving us a transparent understanding of their technical expertise in comparison to the job needs. Creating and implementing customized training plans is our forte. Working closely with your organization, we create learning development plans that include assessments, coursework, coaching, and hands-on lab exercises tailored to your unique needs.
Initiating onboarding with ongoing coaching ensures a smooth integration of new talent into your organization. At Cloud Institute, we are deeply committed to provide support and diligently optimizing your workforce for sustained success, ensuring that your team is always at the forefront of efficiency and innovation.
Thank you for exploring cloud talent solutions with us today. Recruiting, training, and deploying have never been more crucial and achievable than with the right partners. Stay connected for more insights into our innovative business solutions.